Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the JEFOO Square Running Sunglasses for men and women. We're going to open them up, show you what they look like, test them out, and of course let you know whether or not they're worth buying.
All right, so as we get the box open here, nice little carrying case, nice little design flat on the bottom, little info about the brand, nice little cleaning cloth. Also comes with a little kind of lightweight carry case as well. Good branding. These are lightweight plastic, super lightweight, look great. Small nose pads, but they're there and they are rubberized. There's also slightly rubberized area over here to kind of hold them on you. Good solid hinges, bendable, lightweight, flexible is really, I guess, kind of the direction I'm going in. So I'm going to go ahead and try them on for you in here. Then we'll take them outside, test them against the sun, but just want to show you what they look like inside as well. A little bit big, I have a small face, so just be aware of that, but good coverage on the eyes, which is really important. So they feel very comfortable. Again, lightweight, no difficulties on the nose or anything. So as mentioned, we'll go ahead and take them outside and test them against the sun. All right, so these feel good. They're very comfortable as mentioned. They do a nice job looking at the sun, and that is not advised, obviously. Don't stare at the sun. I'm not sure if you can see my eyes or not, honestly, but these are comfortable and definitely worth buying to me. They do the job. They feel comfortable. They look good. So hopefully this review helped you. Worth buying. Thanks for watching.